Today at Tasteful Daily, we will be cooking stuffed turkey meatballs. First, in a chopper, we will add half onion, half carrot, and 10 grams parsley. Then we add them in a bowl with 400 grams of turkey minced meat. We also add 1 egg, 50 grams of breadcrumbs, vegetable seasoning 3 grams, salt 3 grams, and black pepper 2 grams. We mix it really well with our hands. Then we cut 100 grams of cheese into small pieces. In a large frying pan, we add 100 milligrams of olive oil. Until the pan is hot for frying, we make the meatballs with cheese inside. Fry them around 10 minutes on both sides. Then in a chopper, we add again half onion and half carrot. And we fry them in the same pan from the meatballs around 3 minutes. Then we add flour 50 grams. Tomato sauce 250 milliliters, and salt 3 grams, black pepper 2 grams, and vegetable seasoning 3 grams. And we boil it for around 50 minutes. After that, we add the meatballs and we fry them for another 5 minutes. Then we add 50 grams of Parmesan, and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. And we serve it with pre-cooked rice. Thank you for watching.